A corporate recruitment ceremony is held on April 1st. 110 new employees are about to join the workforce. The company is Sankyu Incorporated. In the lobby at headquarters is a poster promoting Sankyu's uniqueness. What does it say?
我が社の主力事業というのは3つあって、プラントエンジニアリングとオペレーションサポートとロジスティックというこの3本柱なんです。これが有機的に結びつくことによってお客様に新たなサービスを展開できるんだろうと。
The new recruits board a bus immediately after the recruitment ceremony. So where are they headed? And what exactly is Sankyu's uniqueness? This is the Sankyu Hirado Training Center. It's a training center built in commemoration of Sankyu's 50th anniversary. After the recruitment ceremony, the new employees take off their suits and change into work clothes to undergo 3 weeks of training.
女性なので難しいかなと思うんですけど、港湾で働きたいなと思っています。
現場で働く、汗をかいて現場で指揮を取りたいなと。
いろんなことを設計して、成長したいと思います。
海外で大型のプラントの契約とかを勝ち取りたいです。僕サウジアラビアに行きたいです。
The day begins with calisthenics, then the cleaning of the center's neighborhood and the saluting of the national and company flags. Group disciplinary training is conducted utilizing Japan's self-defense force drills in a unique Navy-style curriculum. The training method is definitely unique.
この練成館というのはサンキューマンの扇の要みたいな束ねるところ、創業の精神というのを新入社員にも理解をしていただきたいと。
The founder of the company was Seishichiro Nakamura. This training center was built on the land where the founder's house once stood.
社名の由来もやはりその感謝、サンキューということにつながっているので、創業者の思いはやはりお客様にも感謝、それから品物にも感謝、従業員にも感謝という、やはりこの感謝する心というのがやはり一番大事なものではないかなというふうに思っています。
This is Kita-Kyushu City in Fukuoka Prefecture. Sankyu began operating here in 1918 as a transportation company. Starting with the logistics business, the company expanded into plant construction and maintenance and providing support to on-site operations. Plants are constructed through plant engineering. Goods are transported through logistics. And then there is operational support. It is the merging of these 3 pillars of Sankyu's business, providing total support to customers, that gives birth to Sankyu's uniqueness.
これ3つが有機的に結びつくことによって全てが提供できて、何かあればそのサンキューに相談すればいいというようなことで、ワンストップでお客様にとってはいろんなサービスが受けられるというメリットが出てくるんだろうと思います。
So what exactly are the unique services that organically blend the 3 businesses? Let's take a look at them on site. First is plant design and engineering. Around 50 staff members are involved in the design of machinery, piping, and wiring for new plants. What are the merits to customers of Sankyu's involvement from the planning stage?
製作仕様にしてもですね、輸送の分割にしても、据え付けの容量にしてもですね、設計段階で全て決まりますので、設計段階からですね、参画することによって、トータル的に考えたお客様にとってもですね、サンキューにとってもオーバースペックにならないような提案、コスト削減提案がですね、数多く出せる点がメリットになります。
Next is procurement and fabrication. Necessary materials are procured, and various types of plant equipment, piping, steel frame structures, and transportation equipment, among others, are fabricated at this facility. Based on strict quality control processes, state-of-the-art technology is used in the process of fabrication.
大型の製品から中型、小型のですね、製作精度の高い産業機械まで製作できるといった特徴を持ったですね、サンキューグループでは最大の工場であります。
This massive cylindrical object is a cement kiln. It's a rotary kiln for mixing and heating the raw materials for cement. The two cylinders will be transported to the plant and assembled on site.
長さが約17メーターで、この胴体の径が約5メーターの大きさになります。で、トータルの重量は90トン強ぐらい。大きなもののまま海上輸送で製品を出します。
The equipment will be shipped out. Wires are attached to the finished cement kiln for transportation by crane. The pieces are lifted onto trailers by a crane. After leaving the factory, the wharf is just on the other side of the road. Loading cargo onto ships is easy at the Kurosaki plant. Sankyu are pioneers of the transportation of heavy loads. The company is also developing a variety of new methods for constructing plant equipment almost to completion at the factory, then shipping it and installing it on site. There is also plant construction. Sankyu carries out everything from installation of equipment to the final test and trial operation. With thorough knowledge in the structure, operation, and maintenance of equipment, Sankyu says they can offer advantages that include reduction of manpower, centralized management of safety, and total cost reductions. Furthermore, once operations begin, they can provide the logistics for procurement of materials, necessary operational support in on-site work, technology, and technical skills. This also includes production logistics for moving things within the plant, sales logistics to transport finished products, and maintenance services to ensure the safety of the facility and equipment. As you can see, Sankyu can provide total support to customers in all their important operations when constructing or moving plants. There is a company that has outsourced all of its logistics to Sankyu since 2003. It is Sun Polymer Limited. They manufacture polypropylene resin for use in automobile parts and food packaging.
圧倒的なサンキューさんのですね、業務遂行能力と、それから、圧倒的なシステム開発能力、この2つをですね、重要なポイントとして、サンキューさんを採用させていただきました。
Sankyu also carries out packaging on site, filling transport containers and paper bags with resin products in a warehouse next to Sun Polymer's factory. Sankyu stores products in an automated warehouse and takes care of everything from shipment to delivery. They don't simply transport goods. They can offer numerous proposals to streamline logistics. Sankyu jointly developed a new logistics management system that uses wireless IC tags and QR codes. It allows management of the shipment record for every product delivered and simultaneously keeps track of pallets and transport containers to ensure their recovery. Initiatives such as these have given birth to a new business.
構内の作業、それから物流、それに加えまして今年の1月からは私どもの川崎にある工場メンテナンスにつきましてはですね、サンキューさんにご担当いただくようになりました。 この10年間一緒にお仕事させていただいた信頼関係のやっぱ厚さ、それから細かいところまで行き届く目でですね、トータルサービスを受けられるメリットを我々として感じたからです。
What is Sankyu's future strategy for promoting this total support? They say their opportunities lie overseas.
日本の場合っていうのはもうすでに各々の製造メーカーさんに、その固有の長く付き合ってる同業他社さんいらっしゃいますが、それを切り崩すっていうことは非常に難しい部分があるんですけど、海外の場合はさらですから、それで我々も国内をしっかり守りながら海外展開のお客様にも対応していくと。
The red dots indicate Sankyu's local subsidiaries. They expanded overseas early in 1971, starting with Singapore. They now have around 13,000 people in 15 countries providing support to businesses. It has been 40 years since the establishment of a subsidiary in Indonesia. They established their own logistics center for the first time in February 2014.
これからの40年をなお一層の発展とともに歩んでいくために、新たな事業領域の挑戦を決意し、この力物流センターを竣工するに至った次第でございます。
Until then, they had concentrated on plant construction, but the aim now is to break into the logistics market for automobile parts, for which demand is expected to rise. They are expanding overseas aggressively, but they also face issues.
いつでもどこでも産休品質というものを提供しなきゃいけないということで、各現地法人のその品質レベルだとかそういうものを日本産休のレベルへ引き上げていくということが必要なんだろうというふうに思ってます。
At Sankyu, a welding competition is held every 5 years. A total of 31 participants gathered from around Japan and 7 other countries. The goal is to boost the skills of local employees as the company globalizes. After rigorous screening, 1 employee each from Thailand and Singapore won awards, alongside Japanese winners. This is a training program to learn about quality management. Teams compete with paper planes to see who can make one fly further.
ここに来ていろんな人たちと出会っていろいろ語り合いながらすることでお互いを知っていく。これほど多岐にわたった事業をやっている産休にとっては、人と人とのつながりが事業の垣根壁を壊してですね、それがやはり事業運営の中にやはり生かされていくんではないかなと、そういうふうに思っています。
It's the overall strength and the strength of its people that creates Sankyu's uniqueness. How far can they hone themselves? These are the people who carry the future on their shoulders as they expand out into the world on behalf of Sankyu.